Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole like Chipotle. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 ripe Hass avocados, 1/4 of a red onion, 1 jalapeno, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, and the juice of 1 to 2 limes. Don't forget a good pinch of salt to bring out all those delicious flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get everything prepped. Carefully have your avocados and remove the pits. Scoop the creamy flesh into a large bowl. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a red onion. Mince 1 jalapeno, and if you prefer less heat, be sure to remove the seeds and membranes. Finally, chop 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. These precise cuts ensure a balanced texture. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to combine them. Add the diced red onion, minced jalapeno, and chopped cilantro to the bowl with the avocado. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1 to 2 limes. This prevents browning and adds a zesty kick. Now, using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash everything together until it reaches your preferred consistency, chunky or smooth. The final step is seasoning and serving. Start with about 1 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust as needed. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. For the freshest taste, serve your homemade guacamole immediately with your favorite tortilla chips. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious Chipotle-style guacamole.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.